Okay, we just recently entered the era of AutoMLs. These are machine learning algorithms that, given enough computing power, can learn to design other machine learning algorithms. Or in buzzword terms, this is an AI that creates AI, and is already demonstrated to outperform human researchers. Such a perpetually advancing AI may increase inequality and even become an existential threat to our civilization if it's developed by centralized entities with centralized interests that have a high risk of becoming a single point of failure. Okay, so we need to ensure that this new technology is built and deployed in a distributed and open way for the good of all humanity. That's why our team is on a mission to build ScyNet, a blockchain-enabled open infrastructure for self-improving AI agents. These agents can specialize in simple tasks, or they can use each other to solve more complex problems. ScyNet is a decentralized network of AutoML nodes that are running open source software and collaborating through a blockchain protocol with zero-knowledge proof validation mechanism for verifying agents' performance. The ScyNet utility token economy incentivizes the nodes to invest computing power and provide data for training AI agents, and then it allows algorithmic clients to discover these agents and to hire them. The computing power for the network comes from miner nodes, the same miner nodes that are mining Ethereum, for example. And currently, about 35 exaflops, or about 35 human brains of computing power, are mining Ethereum alone. But with the adoption of proof-of-stake consensus, it's likely that a lot of these miners will be looking to switch to a useful proof-of-work networks like ScyNet to utilize their resources and make profit. While a wide range of classification, regression, and reinforcement learning applications will be available and emerge once the network is operational, we need to choose something for the first use case of the network that's immediately applicable and profitable enough to pay for the computing power invested. That's why we'll bootstrap the network on the domain of algorithmic trading of crypto assets, which indicates to be an exponentially growing market. We have already published a paper showing our results in predicting crypto assets price based on blockchain transaction data, which was awarded to several science fair competitions, including Intel ICEF. We have also another paper that describes the ScyNet's architecture and protocol, and we just recently achieved a major milestone with running a working testnet demo. The ScyNet project is developed by the Comrade Cooperative, a cooperatively owned decentralized autonomous organization established in 2017, which have already raised 400,000 euro from, including investments and grants from 2 other major blockchain projects, including.
Excuse me, is my mic working, please?
Yeah, including Eternity and Aragon.
Judges.
Thank you.